appreciate what we do. More platform for helpers to at least express their true feelings. So hopefully,
So, nandito na tayo. Saan kaya tayo dito? CLP. Dao. Ganda niyan. Ito ang Mayfu. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito. Hintayin natin yung mga kasama natin. May 7-Eleven. So, kanina wala pa yan. Ito pala siya. Ayan, so dito kami pupunta sa Jiao Chung Yi 1 ba yan? Academy. Ito siguro yung sitting out area. Nakaw! Ano ako eh, hindi, walang internet tong pinang-video ko. Pupunta kami sa Jiao Chung 1 Academy. Ganda pala, oh, ang ganda dito. Castle Peak Road. So yan yung pupuntahan namin na academy. Ganda ng bulaklak. Daming ibon. Kami sa Jiao Chung.
Oh, siguro ano siya ng mga
Wow!
doctor farmers, ano nga parang
Ano nila oh?
siguro ano yan siya.
Venue for hire. A souvenir court. A century of contributions. Heritage lodge. Ah, maganda siya. Heritage, a cultural heritage. Ang ganda niya, oh. Dito kami siguro. Baka dito tayo. Ganda ng bulaklak. Ganda, oh. So nice. Joy. Oh, it's a venue for weddings and nice. Ganda, oh. Lift yan. So, dito kami. Ang ganda. Knowing the strength. Challenges here, there, and everywhere. How about time to measure your stress or address your pain? Think of the last time. Family comes with second to God. But family, how do you define? A family who sends photos, achievements, memories. Ate, I need your help. Dear migrant workers plea, who is your family? Your pain in the past became your rock. Those longing for love, a cup filled and shared. Oh, sorry to make you cry. That was supposed to be my poem, but I didn't know how to do it without letting her know because I thought I would send the poem to her.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I am crying too.
Oh no, sorry.
It's like, whoa.
Okay, say bye bye now. Say bye bye. Thank you. Oh. ganda dito. Ang ganda nung lift nila, oh. Kakatawa. Kakaibang lift. Tapos, ang ganda pala dito.
This is the cover.
Please don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe, and share if you like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!